Hi, this is super fast making blueberries cake. In the summer, autumn season, cakes need to use the berries that are in season. That's nothing if the cakes are recipe other berries mentioned. This is how I made a blueberry cake. But the same can be done with strawberries in early summer, raspberries in late summer, and lingonberries or cranberries in the fall. And, of course, this would not be a quick cake if its main ingredient were not biscuit cookies. Come on in. With biscuit cookies it is really easy to cook. Because a biscuit determines the size of a piece of cake, it is easy to both count the number of biscuits needed and determine the basis for making the cake. Since I made only 4 portions of cake, I got this cake on an ordinary dinner plate. Needs for 4 servings: 1 pack of biscuit cookies, 150 grams mascarpone cream or other cream like that, 200 grams skimmed milk, 2 tablespoons brown sugar, 2 handfuls of blueberries. The first step: prepare cream filling between biscuit layers. Mascarpone is mixed with skimmed milk, curd, and brown sugar. Leave on for 5 minutes and then stir again when the sugar has melted. Second step: sort the cake. I put the first layer of biscuits on the base of the cake. I got 4 pieces. Then make the first layer of cream and try not to push the cookies out of place. We divide the cream into 3 parts so that 3 layers are enough. Smooth out and apply the cream on top, lightly pressing the second biscuit. Repeat this process until 3 rows of cookies are applied and the cream is finished. We finish with the cream to have where the blueberries are put together. Third step: the last layer of cream is richly savored blueberries. They can be easily pressed into the cream to prevent it from falling off. I did so by putting one hand on the side of the cake as a supporting edge. Then, with my other hand, I rubbed the blueberries and pressed them slightly, and managed to cover the whole surface of the cake with berries. Good luck with cooking, but now I'm going to sleep.